play around with minimum stays. Now, again, I know there's a lot of people in the room who are very strict on the amount of stays, nights that a guest has to stay. In the summer, you can get away with it because there is such a high demand. But in the slow season, not so much. So I'm not going to say everybody go for a 1 night stay or everybody drop down to a 2 night stay. What I'm asking is that you play around with it. So don't be strict and structured and rigid and not willing to amend. Play around with it. And if you are going to go for a 1 night stay, don't keep the same rate. So if you're going to offer up a 1 night stay and you offer a base rate of £100 a night, anybody who's going to book a 1 night stay, add on a little bit extra, maybe make it 110, 120, 130 to cover the extra cleaning costs. And then as soon as they book for 2 nights, and the price starts to adjust more to what the base rate is, etc. and etc. So play around with it, see what works, see what sticks. There's no one shoe fits all here, because I know we've got people that have got bed and breakfast in the room. We've got people who've got motels. We've got people who've got glamp sites. We've got people who've got multiple rental properties, and we've got people who've just got 1 rental property. So there's no one size fits all. All I'm asking for here is to play around. And again, that's the beauty of the internet. That's the beauty of having a PMS, is that you can do so.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Bruce Lee podcast. Bruce Lee like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.